Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a very exciting box opening. Deron recently had to go to Florida on business, and when he was getting ready to go, and you know, before we got the final word that yes, you're going, and immediately for business, he said, "Oh, I'd really like for you to go with me. There could be and I'll show you in a minute what he said, doll in it for you." So I said, "Really?" And truth is, I would have gone anyway, but let's open this up. Oh my, I can't tell you how excited I am about this doll. It is a Grail doll, as they say. Oh boy. Let me open this. And here we are, opening this package. I thought the box was a little big, but you never know. It is packaged well so far. And make sure there's nothing else in here. Set that to the side right now. I can't tell you how excited I am. This is a doll I have been wanting. I'm seeing more and more people package with, you know, I think this is like puppy pee pads, which is strange to me. Are you ready for this? Oh, it is a 1972 Blythe doll. Oh, gosh. The outfit, the top was iffy. Is it original or not? I can tell right now it is not. It is handcrafted. It's not done poorly, but it is not a Kenner. I know it's not a Kenner. Now, is it maybe a Takara? I kind of doubt it. But it's cute. And so is, oh, how is that on there? Oh, that's an interesting snap. That does look like a factory snap. Look at this tiny pinhead snap. I don't see any, I think that's handmade too, handcrafted. Cute though, cute enough. All right, let's get to the doll. She is a 1972 Blythe doll, Kenner Blythe doll. And her eyes work. I knew that she was missing a little bit of lashes. I'm okay with that. She has not been touched up. I like that a lot. I love those green eyes. Uh-oh. There we go. Ooh, careful, Morna. Ooh, careful. There we go. She has 6 lines on the back rather than 7. And what that means is they had those for the prototype and for the early Kenner Blythe dolls. She's just gorgeous. Her hair could use a little work. I was very well aware of that. But I'll tell you, it is not bad. I'm not so sure that a little bit of, I'm not so sure I couldn't just brush that out. We'll see. Isn't she gorgeous? And I just bought that dress that would have been an original. Now for this exact doll, I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up, and right this minute I can't think of the name of that dress. Anyway, I can't tell you how thrilled I am. I now have a blonde, a brunette, and a red-headed Kenner Blythe. I am thrilled. Thank you so much, Deron. I am just over the moon. And I've already asked for a red stand like he made my other Kenners. I'm going to give her a bath. Even if I just use wipes. Oh, do I dare? Yeah. Yep. They work. I'm not pushing it. I don't like doing it because if that was the last snap, oh gosh, she's cool. It's a little tiny bit of greening right here. It looks like a bruise. That's from the knee works for the click click and bend and click, or click and bend, whatever it is. Oh God, she's gorgeous. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Don't forget that the BlytheCon is coming in 4 months. 4 months from today is the BlytheCon, and I am very excited about it. I am looking forward to meeting any of you that happen to be going. Let me know what your plans are. No, I absolutely will not be taking a Kinner, nor will I be taking a Takara, nor will I be taking my Ashton Drake. The only Blythes I will be taking are my Blythes 202, the Alley Blythes. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.